folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I've got a really nice Kawasaki ZX-10 that I want to show you. It's a bright green, sure be seen on this one. It's a 2005 model. It's got good tires on it, front and rear. Really nice shape. A couple little marks down here on the plastic, but it doesn't look like it was because it was dropped. It looks like it just kind of got up against something. I did notice maybe a little scar here and here, so it may have just fallen over because it's not damaged anyway. Just those little scuff marks on it. Got a really good tire on the back, monoshock up there, chain drive, 2-up riding, with the passenger pad and pegs here. It's got a little custom babe there on the tank. Upgraded exhaust here, Two Brothers Racing exhaust, really sounds good on this bike. Dual front disc brakes, aluminum spoke mag wheels. These things are very quick and fun to ride. The bike doesn't have many miles on it. It's got, let's see, 6,886 miles. It's got a pretty cool tack here too. It's a digital tack. Let's see if I can fire it off without having to press the clutch in. You can see that tack. It's been through our shop and service, checked out, and it is ready to ride. It's a 1,000cc inline liquid cooled 4-cylinder. Has a 6-speed transmission. Lots of good riding left in this one. Very clean. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'll be easy to put this one in your driveway. If you got any questions, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151, or go online and see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.